So here it is right here. And then you got your little on-off button. So you can see right here that turned that on. You can use this inside the nose. You can use it inside the ear. Anywhere on your body that you want to target with the red light, you're going to be able to do that. Now, let's say you want to get a little bit more surface area and you want to cover more area at one time. Watch this. When we turn this on, you can actually pull this wand piece out. And then we've got more of a flashlight type usage. Now, you can also take this little cap off here and expose even more. And look at this. I can get my entire hand, my wrist, my elbow, anywhere on the body. You're going to be able to use this. So a couple different ways to use it. It's pretty versatile. It's very targeted. Pop this back in here. This is a little bit different approach than what you're normally seeing on the market as far as red light goes. You got the big red light mats. You got the ones you can lay on. You've got the masks. This is handheld and it is for targeting certain areas, particularly in like the nose and the ear. If you have an earache, they say you can go ahead and stick this in there for the earache. If you've got issues up in the nose, you can do that as well. They have an entire list in here of ways that you can use this. So if you don't know about red light, definitely check it out. I love it. I've got a couple other red light devices that I use on a regular basis. I enjoy using my other red light devices and I've enjoyed adding this into my regular routine. They did a great job with this one. Definitely pick it up, check it out. That is my quick review. Thanks for watching.